Hello guys, how are you? It's Umar. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to transfer your money from PayPal to your bank account. Now before this, my bank account and my card were linked with PayPal and I removed them just to show you guys, so you guys don't miss any single thing. So please don't skip anything in the video. I will show you the whole process. When you open up the PayPal app, it's showing that link a card to send payments in minutes. So it means that I haven't connected any card or any bank account. So in order to connect my bank account, I will go for you guys can see the PayPal balance. This is where you are gonna do and I'm gonna do as well now. So when we do that, a new tab will open up and there is something written as well, which is you can leave the funds in your balance and it will automatically be used when you shop online. Like you guys can do online shopping with PayPal as well, but we are gonna do something else. So that is written as well. Or you can withdraw your funds to your bank account. So this is what we're gonna do. So when we are gonna click on transfer funds, a new tab will open up which says that link an eligible debit card or bank. So we're gonna click on that, which will open up a new tab which says whether you're gonna do with the bank account or the credit or debit card. So we guys are gonna do it through the bank account. Put your bank account details, like it's a checking account or it's a saving account, then international bank account number, then your phone number, then your name, and then they will send you a message on your mobile number, phone number, which is your personal number. So you guys can put that code in that, so it's confirmed, it's verified that it is you who is doing that. After that, your bank account will be connected with PayPal. Now you guys can transfer money. After that, it's gonna ask you to put the amount you want to withdraw, like how much money you want to withdraw. Just put that amount and then click on next. After that, PayPal will ask you the purpose of withdrawing money, like why are you withdrawing money, what is the reason. It's like ATS, airport transport, educational support, insurance services, own account transfer, personal, cultural, audio, visual creations, or anything like that. What I do is I go with the own account transfer because that's what I'm gonna do. And after that, you guys can see that my payment is confirmed, and that's how your payment will be confirmed in 2 days, or PayPal will tell you in how much days you guys can get the money. But this is the way you guys can withdraw money from PayPal to your bank account. You guys can transfer the money. So this is a very easy way to do it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.